Protein is one of the macronutrients which is required in the body to build muscle and repair body tissues. It is also an important building block of skin, hair, bones, etc. When protein breakdown into amino acid is used to carry out different metabolic processes in the body. So let's talk about different type of protein sources, which includes whey protein, soya protein, animal protein and plant protein. In this video, we are going to focus on animal protein source and plant protein source. So stay tuned and let's begin the video. In layman language, plant protein is basically a source of protein derived from plants, whereas animal protein is a source of protein derived from animals. Both of these protein sources have their own pros and cons. So let's discuss them one by one. Firstly, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of animal protein. Firstly, animal protein are basically a great source of high quality protein because they contain all the 9 essential amino acids which are required by our body. Animal protein also provide a huge amount of minerals such as vitamin B12, hemi-iron, zinc, etc. Certain animal protein sources are also linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, improved cholesterol level, promotes weight loss and increases muscle mass. Although animal protein sources are a great source of high quality protein, but the problem arises when there is a consumption of processed red meat. Although in India red meats are not consumed, but in other countries red meat is consumed a lot. In processed red meats, high amount of chemicals and additives are added which increases the risk of heart disease and also can cause colon cancer. Thus, processed red meat can cause harm to your body, whereas unprocessed red meat and other protein sources such as chicken, fish do not harm your body and keep your body healthy. Also, they are good source of high quality protein. So now let's talk about another source of protein, which is the plant protein. Plant protein also have its own pros and cons. So let's discuss the pros. Firstly, a diet high in plant protein is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes and obesity. Secondly, plant protein sources provide a huge amount of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, etc. Plant protein sources tend to be lower in calories and fat in comparatively to animal protein sources because of which it promotes weight loss. Although plant protein also have many benefits, the problem arises because the plant protein sources does not contain all the 9 essential amino acids which is required by the body. Because of which the plant protein sources should be mixed with other protein sources to get all the 9 essential amino acids. For example, dal should be mixed with rice. Now let's talk which protein is better for building muscle. The answer is animal protein. Animal protein is better than plant protein for building muscle because of its amino acid profile. Animal protein contains all the 9 essential amino acids and does act as a great source of high quality protein, whereas plant protein does not contain all the amino acids. Also, animal protein has got easier digestibility in comparatively to plant. Different type of animal protein sources are chicken, red meat, dairy product, eggs, yogurt, etc. Whereas different types of plant protein sources are nut butters like almond butter, peanut butter, legumes, beans, chickpeas, green peas, buckwheat and many more. Now let's discuss which diet is best. Diet which is high in animal protein or diet which is better in plant protein. Studies have shown a balanced diet is what you need to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Also, studies have shown a diet rich in plant protein source is a better approach. This doesn't mean that you completely cut off all the animal sources from your protein and only depend on the plant protein sources. What I mean is that you should maintain 60 to 70% of your diet from plant protein sources and remaining diet from the animal protein sources. So with this, I like to end the video. If you like, click on the like button, share your valuable comments in the comment section and also click the subscribe button. This is your friend Aman Sachdeva and thank you so much for watching.